Oh, there we go. There's one. That's actually a pretty good one. There's one. What's up, guys? Eli Kaczynski here, and you're watching Fishing with a View. Today I'll be fishing a river in South Carolina. Today I'll be using my 5-foot long Shakespeare Durango, and I'll be fishing with a jig with a spinner on it. So a couple of days ago it stormed pretty bad and the waters were really high, so I waited all day yesterday, and then this morning I waited as well to try and see if the waters would go down a little bit. It's definitely a lot higher than normal, but I'm thinking that we can catch quite a bit because it's looking pretty clear. All right, finally. Didn't have the camera on because I wasn't really catching anything, and then this guy hit it right when I was about ready to reel it in, up to myself. So, little bass. All right, pretty small, but nice guy nonetheless. Very pretty. All right, let's hope that I don't fall in. Oh goodness, this bank is incredibly steep and it is incredibly slick. So I'm just hanging on for dear life on these trees and the branches, hoping that they don't give on me. The things you do when you don't have a boat. Oh goodness. Oh gosh. Oh. All right. Oh shoot. Thought I had a bite there for a second. Oh. Dang. Oh, there we go. Oh, dang. Just a little baby one. That's not worth anything. Yep. Just a little baby one. I thought I was getting a bite in there, but that would make sense. Why didn't get him right away? This lure is about the size of him. But still pretty. Okay. Well, this one is even smaller than the one that I accidentally deleted from the camera. So. All right. Pretty small. There's one. That's actually a pretty good one. How about that? Oh, wow. That is actually a pretty good one. Okay. I mean, it's not huge, but it put up a way better fight and felt way stronger than my other ones. And it is a little bit bigger than my other ones. Quite a bit bigger, actually. Sweet. Largemouth. I was just thinking about heading back and trying a new spot. But, alright guys, so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to head back to where the bridge is. And then I'm going to go over to the other side where the sun's hitting a little bit more. Because I want this spinner to reflect off the sun a little bit. And I think there's probably some fish over there trying to soak up that warmth. Alright, made it to the other side. Let's see if we can catch some fish. Oh, there's one. Oh, he's not very big, but fish is a fish, right? Just a little brim, but he hit it pretty hard. There we go. Oh. All right. There we go. All right, this looks like a pretty good spot. Wouldn't be surprised if there's some fish right up against that tree right up here. Let's give it a shot. There's one. Nice little brim again. Ooh, it's a pretty one. Ooh, it's barely hooked. But yeah, pretty little brim. Right up next to that tree over there. Well guys, that's a wrap for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe and leave a comment below. Hope to see you guys next time on Fishing with a View.